Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone the manager of your Google business profile. So let's get started. Now first, we have to go to the website, Google. Now first, head to the website head to this website, google.com/business. After you head to the website, you can click on Manage Now. As you can see, after clicking Manage Now, my business has popped up here. And then you can click on the three dots over here. After clicking on the three dots, you can click on Business Profile Settings. And then after clicking Business Profile Settings, you will find this option, which is People and Access. You can click on this option, and as you can see, I am here, who is the primary owner. So I will click Add over here to add another user. I will add my another email. After adding the new user, I'm going to select the role of the user. Now you can add this user as the manager, or you can transfer your whole ownership to the user. Now, you will only want to transfer ownership if you're selling out your business or transferring the ownership solely to someone else or giving full control to someone else. So make sure to select owner only if you're doing that. Otherwise, select manager and then click on invite. And after the user accepts your invite to be the manager, he or she will be able to access your business profile and be your business profile's manager. So that is how you can make someone the manager of your Google business profile.